lose, loose. In this video, I will go through the difference between these two words. As we can hear, there is a difference in pronunciation. Lose has a Z sound. Loose has an S sound. There is also a difference in spelling. Lose has one O. Loose has two O's. Lose. Lose is a verb, and it means when you are unable to find something or when you are unable to keep something. So you don't have that thing anymore. You've lost it. For example, did you lose your homework sheet? I always lose my keys. In these examples, we're talking about the action of misplacing or being unable to find something. Lost. Lost is the past form and past participle of lose. For example, she lost her phone. He lost his life in the car accident. You may have heard a similar expression to this, so rather than saying he died in the car accident, it is more polite to say that he lost his life. Loose. Loose is an adjective, and it describes something that doesn't fit tightly. For example, these trousers are too loose. This means the trousers are not fitted correctly, they are too loose. Another example is, I tightened the loose screw with a screwdriver. Again, in this example, the screw is not fitted tightly, it is loose. Therefore, I had to tighten it with a screwdriver.